Right guys, Paul here with a quick video. Apologies if the head cam's not set up right. I've had this helicopter out. It's my birthday today, so I'm off work. Luckily my work gave me a birthday off, which is quite good. So well, the missus, she's away tidying up and stuff just now in the house. I was like, you know what, I'm going to go out, have a wee shot at my drone and my helicopter. So what I'm planning on doing, had a flight this morning, a really nice flight just with Airwolf, different location, but I just took it out for a little bit and just a little fun little run. Kind of done a 1 battery pack. So what I've decided to do now is I'm going to give it a go. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I'm going to put the helicopter up somewhere in the middle of this field here. I'm just going to put on auto flight mode, just in a circle. So I'm not really want to fly it too much, just want to try and see if we can get some aerial shots with the DJI, it flying in the air. So nothing too high, nothing too crazy, but yeah, hopefully this will work out. So let's see what happens. So this Mini4 Pro is absolutely fantastic. What I can say is having the Mavic Air as well, well the range isn't near as good with the phone as it is with this, and just the convenience and time of setting up with this as well is just a different level altogether. So the RC2 controller, I mean I'm going to do a video on the drone itself once I get a bit more experience with it, but this DJI Mini4 Pro over my old drone is just absolute night and day. So I mean that's us ready, permitted to take off, ready to roll. So what we'll do, we'll sit that down gently, move my drone bag away, get this helicopter in the air, then we'll get the drone up. So also we've got circle mode, figure 8 mode, GPS mode, etc. So with the helicopter, there we go, green, got a GPS signal. Hopefully you guys can see that. We'll put it in the middle of the field. Hopefully not on the ground in the middle of the field, but we'll get around the middle of the field, fly in, there we go, start to take off now. Always still nervous with the helicopter taking off, it terrifies me. So there we go. So put her over, nothing too crazy, nothing too far, nice and gentle. Put her up to about this sort of height, nothing crazy, and then we'll go to figure 8 mode. Hopefully she'll just do figure 8 loops, what she's doing. You can see, not holding anything. Now we'll get the drone up. Never done multi-flying before, but let's have a look. So get in video record mode. Recording, so get ourselves in shot. There we are guys, there's me. Now let's go up. Let's go and see the helicopter, see if we can see what's going on. So try to get her in shot there. Don't want to go too close to her. We go a bit above, just so you guys can see what the Airwolf looks like in the air. This is quite incredible footage, to be honest with you. Can see her flying about, figure 8, just hovering, taking our time. So it's just cool getting some nice airborne shots. Try to keep up with it. I don't want to go too close, because what I don't want to do is hit my, I mean the chances are pretty slim, but I don't want to hit the drone off the helicopter. So come down. I mean look at that flying, that's just gorgeous. So I'm limited to do anything other than figure 8s because I'm trying to fly the drone at the same time, but I just thought I'd let you guys see this and to see what the Airwolf looks like in the air before I take over and do some manual flying. So what we can do as well, which I've not tried yet, I've tried to time this, so I'm trying to work out where the helicopter is. So if I come down, what you can do with the Mini4 Pro, which is pretty cool, is if I can work out where we are, try and find her. Seem to have lost it. I'm trying to be too clever. Right, I'm too directly under it, so hold on. what we'll do, we'll come back to me. You can see me down here. And if we look up, because you can look up with these new DJI drones, which you couldn't do with the previous ones. So if we can find the helicopter, really losing my bearings, I think I'm just a bit too high. There we go. So try and get some underneath shots. And what we'll do is we'll bring the drone back now, and I'll fly the helicopter for the rest of the video. But I just really wanted to have a look at some airborne shots with it, so come back with the DJI. There she is, guys, superb. Mini4pro, absolutely recommend it, fly it anywhere, super easy, drama free. Bring her back down, stop recording, there we go guys. And we'll continue, hopefully my GoPro's in shot for the helicopter, but once we land this drone, we'll fly the helicopter manual for a little bit. So, stick that down there, and if we we're back in control, so normal mode, there we go, bring her down. Man, I love this helicopter. This is like my favourite RC all time. That and the Mini4pro to be fair, but the scale Airwolf looks, I mean, look at it. There's my car in the background, so don't want to go too close to the road, but we'll just fly about here, nice and steady. Not doing any crazy fast flying today, I've done that this morning, so got my Apache on the way as well, so we'll do something similar when we get the Apache, but right now just a little fly about the Airwolf. Some low flying maybe, not really done a lot of that today. It just looks so mean. That's the thing with the drone, when you go far and high it's fun, but with a helicopter, you're not seeing on board footage when you're flying, you're going just through your eye, so you kind of want to keep it relatively controlled and quite close to yourself. This morning in the other field I was in, I took it a lot further away, probably down to where that motorway was, and I'm not going to lie, I was almost not too sure of my bearings for a little second, so I like to know where I am, and I don't want to do anything to damage a helicopter, anything crazy, just want to take my time and enjoy it for what it is. And do some wee spins there. I mean, you can do a lot more stunts. You can also go 3D full mode. Right now we've got GPS mode, which I've tweaked a bit to make it more aggressive, but yeah, she's a beautiful, beautiful helicopter. So, go up a bit higher in the air. Hopefully this is coming on camera. But I mean, up there it looks like a full scale helicopter just further away. So just checking my other stuff, my bearings there. Bird going past. But yeah, I thought this video would be a little bit different, just a little bit of sort of drone footage with it. And yeah, battery life is so long on this Airwolf too, which is incredible. Really love it, it's just so gorgeous. And look how stable it is too there as well, I'm not even holding anything. So we'll let it sit there. It'll feel a little bit higher. We'll sit there, hopefully she'll hover. She shouldn't drift too much. We'll try and get another drone shot. And she's just sitting there idle, so take off, record. Take off. We've got DJI. Just to try and show you our guys are in the air. Well, she's sitting still. Probably do this more by eye than by camera, so. I mean, ain't that beautiful? Look at her. It's just so scale and so stunning to watch. I don't know how this video is coming across for you guys, but for me this is a fun one to make. What we might try and do, I don't know if this will happen, let's see if we can do a follow me. Active track. Let's see if this works. Maybe not. I'm gonna try this again. Flying two things at one time isn't easy, guys. Right, so unable to switch. Point of interest, go. Maybe not. Let's see. Stop that. Take that off the camera. See if we can go closer. This multiple flying isn't easy. I'm struggling with the sunlight to see where my... Ah, there we go, there's the helicopter there. So if we fly over her, it's hovering away nicely. Try and get a little rear shot. Don't go too close. Let's see if we can active track. No, I don't think we can in there. I think she's a little bit too narrow. But I think what we'll do, we'll bring the drone back down again, finish that recording, got some air shots, and we'll just go to one at a time. I think this is getting a bit overcomplicated for myself. It's a wee bit overwhelming flying everything. So there we go, landing the drone. So turned off. Stop recording. And you can see that whole time the helicopter's just hovering where I left it. The GPS is incredible on this Airwolf. Listen to her. It's a little rattle there, but I think I've got to tighten the bolt. I had it apart this morning, and I think the little rear sort of wing, sort of behind the rudder, is just flickering about a little bit. So I need to tighten that up, but nothing to cause a problem. Do some strafing. And I think we're quite happy at that. So again, the battery life's really long. I'm not really been monitoring what I'm doing, but because I'm in an area quite near a road, I don't want, it does do, if you run out of battery, it'll return to where you took off. But I'm still just a little bit a little bit watching what I'm doing kind of thing. I don't want to be too stupid. Let's see how we can go first for a second. That'll probably be high enough just now, I think. We'll come back down, listen to that. What I'll do, I'll bring her for a landing and I'll just be quiet. Touch her down now. Oh, she's returning to home herself. Must be out of battery, so where's she going? Must have been on the battery limit just as I was coming down there. So as long as she doesn't land on my drone or anything, don't think she will. You see, this isn't me, guys, this is the helicopter itself. Yeah, exactly where I took off, to be fair. Within a foot of where I took off. And now she's down. Even killed her own power because she's out of battery. So how about that? What a flight, superb. Absolutely love this Flywing FW450 Airwolf. Best helicopter I've ever had, best RC I've ever had, possibly other than this Dji Mini4pro, to be fair. I've taken this 6 miles away from my flight and back, and the battery life's insane. It was just the right weather to do it. I'm going to do some more island flights with it in the future, kind of get recording on the camera and on the drone, but the Flywing Airwolf, it's just incredible. I mean, there you go, no worry, fly as long as you want, you know it will come back. Park itself right beside you. So we'll get that battery disconnected. There we go, off the canopy. This is the only thing I don't like, because I know you need a tight battery connection, but that one's just a little bit too tight still. And obviously now it's disconnected, you can turn the controller off. The controller doesn't let you turn it off if there's power to the helicopter, which is quite good. And yeah, super happy with that flight. That was just something different, combining the drone with the helicopter, and yeah, we'll do more things like that in the future. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one.